Hello, culinary enthusiasts. Chef Gustavo here. Today we're going to be diving into the world of French cuisine. We'll be making the Croque Monsieur, starting with quality ingredients: artisanal bread, aged Gruyère cheese, French ham, Dijon mustard, and butter. Now that we have our cheese grated and our bread sliced, we'll begin to assemble a sandwich. We'll start with a little Dijon mustard on the inside, on both sides of bread. And then we're going to layer some ham on top with a little cheese. And don't forget about the cheese. Don't skimp on the cheese because that's what makes it melty. Now we're going to place our sandwiches on the griddle, get them golden brown, and then we'll put more Gruyère cheese on them to broil them. And there you have it, the perfect Croque Monsieur, crispy on the outside and gooey on the inside. Don't forget to like and subscribe us for more content. Thank you.